Got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without.
Hi, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to bring you along as I fix a chicken salad. I'm going to fix it different from the way that a lot of people make it, but I'm going to try it like this and hope that I like it. I have got, this was a bag of rotisserie chicken. I started before I, and then had forgot about y'all or whatever, and then I cut up all the chicken into, you can see, into little bitty pieces like this big or whatever. Just like that. And then I've got a bunch of celery that I need to use up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stalks of little stalks, though. These are little stalks, and it's got the leaves and all too. 6 stalks of celery. I've got a bowl of grapes. These are green seedless grapes. And I've got a little bitty onion. You see my onion? Little bitty. I got my little bitty onion, because I don't even think you're supposed to put onion in chicken salad, but I'm going to try it. And then I'm going to put mayonnaise and mustard, just a little bit of mustard. And then I'm going to put smoked paprika, Kinder's wood-fired garlic, and I was going to do something else that had salt and onions, and so I looked at the ingredients of Kinder's wood-fired garlic, and the first ingredient is salt, so that means there's pretty much, you know, a lot of salt in here. There's dehydrated onions, there's dehydrated garlic, including roasted garlic, spices, chili peppers, paprika, rice concentrate, sunflower oil, maltodextrin, and natural flavors. So I'm going to put this and the smoked paprika in here. Let's see, the ingredients in this is just paprika and silicon dioxide added to make free-flowing. Okay, so that's one of those things that they put in the seasonings, the spices, and all to make them, you know, powdered. All right, so I'm going to do that with these, and all I'm doing, like I said, I cut up the chicken, and now I'm just using my little Mason knife. This is my little paring knife, I call it. I don't know really what it is, but I can't remember. I guess it was a paring knife. And I'm just cutting this celery up, and I think when I was growing up, my mama would put eggs in it, but I don't think she put celery. I don't know. I can't remember, but I know she didn't put any grapes in it. I know that. My mom would not have put grapes in chicken salad, but I've seen a lot of people do it over the years. It's not so much those from YouTube either. I mean, over the years, I've seen it, family reunions and stuff like that. I've seen, them have grapes in their celery. So I'm going to try this, and I think I've done this one other time, but I could never get the spices right in it, so I'm going to try in this one, and I'm going to really taste this and make sure that I have this smoked paprika, because I think smoked paprika is the one seasoning that this does need, and I think that was smoked paprika was one of my first favorite spices, because y'all know I don't like garlic, so it definitely wasn't garlic. But I think that it was smoked paprika was one of my very first favorite spices. So y'all can see how that I'm cutting these up and all, and I'm just going to try to get the rest of them cut up. It might be too much. I might not be able to use all of them, but I'm going to see what I can do, and I will bring y'all back when I get to the grapes, and we're going to cut these grapes up and see what we can do with those. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so I did put, let me show you, not very much, but I did put this little bitty onion. I put like a fourth of it. I cut it up real fine. You can see right there, it's real fine. And I did cut that up, and when I put the mayonnaise and stuff in here, I'll stir it up. Now we're getting ready for me to cut up the grapes. And the grapes, I love grapes. Do y'all like grapes? Let me know below if y'all like grapes. These are green grapes with no seeds, seedless green grapes. So, and like I said, I've had this one other time before. That's no good. I've had this one other time before somewhere, and then I think I made it, but I couldn't ever get the spices right. And so I'm going to use Duke's mayonnaise. I'm going to use a little bit of French's classic mustard, and then smoked paprika and Kendall's wood-fired garlic, salt and pepper, and I'm just cutting, some of them I'm cutting in half, and some of them I'm cutting in fours, because, you know, if they're bigger. And I just love grapes. If y'all tried the cotton candy grapes, they're good. They're real good. The only place that I've seen that has them is Kroger's, though. I don't know what, I think all the states have some kind of store like Kroger's. If you look up Kroger stores, it'll tell you. But we have Kroger's in this area of the United States, and then there's other things all around the United States, other store names, but they're still associated with Kroger. So, all right, so y'all can see, I'm just, like I said, I'm just cutting them in half, and then in fourths if they're big enough. And I will tell y'all that I did hire another girl yesterday to help me until Samantha comes back or whatever I'm going to do. Samantha told me yesterday that her aunt, she's got to move out, and so of her, where she's living, and so she doesn't have to be out till August, but she's got to try to save money before then, and she doesn't, with her not having a job now, because she's got, she can't help me. And so I hired a girl named Amber, and she's over there eating a piece of celery now. I'm not going to put the camera on her yet, because I didn't tell her I was going to do that. So, but anyway, she works down at the farm. She does the trail rides down at the farm or whatever for them. So because it's winter and they don't have very many trail rides, she's going to come and help me. And y'all pray that Samantha comes back, because Amber will start the trail rides back in the spring. And oh my gosh, if I have to go through not having somebody again, I'm telling you, I'm going to have a nervous breakdown. But I do need y'all, and I'm just saying I'm not going to go into any details or whatever, but I do need y'all to pray for some personal problems that I'm having in my family, and please just pray that that everything will be okay. I pray for y'all every night. So when some of you say, I can't remember now, but one of the women commented today on my post, and her husband just had died January the 4th, and that is just so sad to me. So sad that I think she was, I can't remember how old she was. And then I had another woman that texted me this morning, that commented this morning, and she had, she was in hospice, and she was 55, I think is what she said, and she said she had had a good 55 years and stuff, and things like that make me cry. I just but she made me feel good, but I get, sad about somebody losing their husband or being in hospice or something like that. It's just sad for me to think they're watching little old me, well, big old me, but I'm not nothing on the YouTube level, but I do love all my subscribers so much. And to think that she was saying that there was a lot of disabled people that look up to me and that watch me and need me, and to help them. And gosh, I don't think that I help people. I think y'all help me. Oh my gosh, y'all help me more than y'all can ever even imagine. I have y'all to talk to and do this cooking for and stuff like that. So, but anyway, let me finish cutting up these grapes, and then I'll bring y'all back, and we'll put the mayonnaise and the little bit of mustard and the seasonings in here, and we'll taste this chicken salad out. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so here is the chicken salad. I have already eaten some of it, tasted it. It's amazing. I ended up putting probably 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise because it ended up being a lot of chicken. The whole bowl of grapes, all the celery. And then I put 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of wood-fired garlic. And so this bread is not good. That's why, I've got it on here, but it's not good. It's Kroger classic white bread, and it's real dry. But I will tell you, this is amazing. I wish I could pick this. Oh, see, the bread is just so dry. Here is the celery. And I put about 6 small stalks of celery in here because I love celery. And then that whole bowl of grapes I cut up, and the little bit of the onion, which I don't really taste the onion. And I ended up not putting any mustard in here because I don't think it would be right with the mustard. But this chicken salad really is good. Really. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also there'll be links below to different things that I use on my channel that you may want to use in your kitchen. So I hope that you have a wonderful day, and bless all the people that comment on my videos, and the ones that have commented lately. I have been praying for you, and you know who you are. And I love you all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.